Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. We are now down to the last part of the learning adventure through adjectives. Don't forget to check out the first 3 parts of this adjective series so you can learn more. Just click the icon in the top right corner of this video. In this video, we will talk about a particular guideline for utilizing adjectives in sentences and how this will help to improve the clarity and grammar of our sentences. Specifically, we will talk about double comparisons in adjectives. Are you excited to learn? But before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. There are some guidelines that you need to remember in constructing sentences with adjectives. One of these guidelines is the double comparisons rule in adjectives. What is it? Double comparisons occur when an adjective is unnecessarily repeated, often by combining a comparative form with the word more, or a superlative form with the word most. Avoiding double comparisons in adjectives is essential to maintain proper grammar and clarity in your writing or speech. To avoid this error, you should use either the comparative form or the superlative form, but not both together. Here are some examples of double comparisons and their corrections. The weather is becoming more colder every day. In this sentence, the adjective more is used with the comparative form colder. However, colder is already a comparative adjective, and adding more before it creates a double comparison, which is grammatically incorrect. The correct way to describe the weather would be, the weather is becoming colder every day. In this corrected sentence, the adjective colder is used correctly as a comparative adjective to show that it is getting colder every day. The use of more is unnecessary and should be avoided when the adjective itself is already comparative. Double comparisons can make sentences awkward and confusing, so it's important to use comparative adjectives correctly to maintain proper grammar and clarity. Another example is, Claire is the most prettiest girl in her class. In this case, the adjective most is used with the superlative form prettiest. Prettiest is already in superlative form, hence, adding most to it creates a double comparison. The correct way to write the sentence is, Claire is the prettiest girl in her class. Were you able to digest this added knowledge? That's great. Now let us test your understanding. Answer this 3-item practice exercise if you really understand the topic. In this practice test, identify the adjective that correctly fills in the blank. For number 1, it was the blank day of the year. What is the appropriate adjective for the sentence? Letter A, most hottest. Letter B, hottest. The correct answer is letter B, hottest. According to the double comparisons rule, we cannot add most to a superlative form of an adjective because it would be redundant. Hence, we should use only the superlative form, hottest. Therefore, the correct way to describe the temperature during that day of the year is, it was the hottest day of the year. For number 2, the performance of the new actor was blank than the lead actress. What is the appropriate adjective for the sentence? Letter A, better. Letter B, more better. The correct answer is letter A, better. The word more is redundant when used with the comparative form better. Hence, the correct sentence should be, the performance of the new actor was better than the lead actress. In this corrected sentence, the adjective better is already in its comparative form, so there's no need to use more before it. For the last item, the team's performance this season is blank than the previous year. What is the appropriate adjective for the sentence? Letter A, worse. Letter B, more worse. The correct answer is letter A, worse. Again, it would be a double comparison if we use more worse in the sentence. Thus, worse is the appropriate adjective in the sentence. Therefore, the correct way to describe the performance of the team compared to the previous season is, the team's performance this season is worse than the previous year. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.